Welcome back, Iceyyyboyz and girls. Sorry, we're not sexist. But nah, seriously, welcome back to another day in the life of Iceyyyboyz. It's really not much, but there's still stuff. Today, we're gonna swap all the bumpers and everything from Josh's sedan, from the wagon to the sedan, and then help flex out with his arms, literally his arms, because he don't know how to use them. And it is what it is.
What's up, guys? That was Gus. But right now we're actually backing up the wagon, and I made up my mind. The S-Endurance bumper is gonna go on the wagon since it's like more show car quality, and
Lies.
and then the bumper on the wagon is actually more
show car quality.
Yeah, but the bumper on the wagon's already like kind of beat up, and we're just gonna like cut it out so it actually fits the sedan. So I didn't want to really cut a brand new bumper. But Travis is gonna move out my wagon right now.
Damn, you forgot to air up.
Yeah, just back up. Straight, just back up straight. Yeah, it's fine. You're good. I'm not that low. Alright, right there. It's good. You can leave the car on though, because I barely. Oh my god, bro. You know how to put in. Travis, pop the hood. You don't know how to park an automatic car because he's too cool. Because all his cars are manual. AKA just one car. Here, open this shit. Damn, look at that. Stock life. But anyways, we're gonna put this bumper onto the sedan. But right now we're just gonna drill holes into the S-Endurance bumper. So, yeah. So this is what we're putting on the wagon. Since it's like more brand new. Even though there's a chip. Shout out to Travis. Oh! Let's see how this works.
It looks exactly the same.
Hell no.
But without the...
Does it look the same, Travis? Okay, well, that one's going on the sedan. Oh, we need to get the drill. Give the camera to Gus.
Dang, you guys, look, everybody witness the two people that don't work working.
Oh, bitch! What's up, bitch?
Look. Dang, you can't even see the difference.
Hey, not look that bad.
Can you guys see?
It looks higher. That's good. It kind of looks the same on camera, but like, do it closely. It's not. There's more fog light holes up there. This one's one. Damn.
It just rolls back like literally.
Look at that camber though. Yeah. Yeah, let's drill this bitch. So yeah, the Russian guys didn't like cover these up. So you have to do it yourself. And like right here too. So you gotta do it yourself. Oh, this is gonna be a bigger one. right now we're just mounting the fucking bumper on. And how I usually like to mount my front bumper forward. I usually drill a hole right here and then I put another zip tie right here. 50% of my car is held by zip ties. Actually like 100%. And then I need to cut this off. That screw.
How'd you get it in?
Huh? So yeah, that's how it sits. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think, Travis? It looks good?
Yeah, it looks good.
A little bit dirty from all the fucking fiberglass.
What's brand spanking new? Nothing.
Oh my god.
Yes.
It fits perfect. Like, come over here and look at it. This fool probably had it on like flimsy. Oh, this. I didn't do that. What's the headlight gap?
You said look at the headlight gap. What about this one?
Well, yeah, this side is fucked.
Why didn't look this fucked up?
Give me the drill. I'm about to drill right here.
No!
There's no way! Bro, if you drill right here, you just make it sweet. Bro,
Just drill
it's
right
not,
here.
Bro, you can't. Look how small that is.
You can make it happen. Do two small holes next to each other so the zip tie goes in flat.
That bad. The film is really shitty. I mean, at least we didn't have to cut it. Shit, we just had to throw it on. And this bumper was already like shitty on the wagon. The wagon's supposed to be show car quality, so we just put on the S endurance. So hey, it worked out because we didn't have to do much work to it. This is nasty. So we're at Flex's, and we're putting on his rear upper control arm and his toe arm, so we could get some more camber. You guys could even hear me. But this is his IS300, the white one. And then we got Ivan's RC out here. Yeah. So right now we're taking off his rear upper control arm. If you guys have never done this before, you have to like bang out the ball joint or get a ball joint puller, but we don't do that. We'll go this way. Oh, I can't hit this way.
Go bang the other one.
You gotta do the other side.
I'm making sure. This is off, right?
I think so. Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, it's off. Yeah, that bang power blood.
Look, it's coming out.
Yeah, it's out.
There it is.
Pull it up. There you go. Good to this side.
There it goes.
That one hit.
Action.
So I guess Mike's got a new lip. Want to see how it fits? Let's see. It's under D. It's not bad.
Looks decent.
I've never seen this lip before, but
eBay special, baby.
you have to like. You bought this for like 60, 80 bucks, huh?
80 bucks.
Yeah, I saw it online. But yeah, and you just gotta jack it up, and all these screws you just mount it. Did they give you mounting screws?
Yeah, they give me screws.
Yeah.
Yerks.
It's gonna give you at least like 8 or 9 camber negative.
That's the plan, Stan.
Yeah, that's like, Bro, it's tight. You don't want it too tight. If you have to take it off, it's gonna be a bitch. So we just installed Flex's toe arms and his rear upper control arms. We're about to put it down and see how much camber you get. What up, dog?
Jack stands.
They're on wheels, bro. No jack stands. There you go. Alright, anyways. Shit's about to go down right now, guys. Dropping it. Alright, maybe I'm not. There you go.
Before I go get an alignment.
Yeah. Why did you want to go lower? Yeah, you could go way lower, bro.
Under the lip.
Not even, bro. You have a lot of room. Check the other side. Oh yeah. Your toe doesn't even look that bad, to be honest. It's a little bit toed out. Yeah, it's toed out. You're good, bro. You're good. He's good, bro. Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back with another video. Deuces, guys.